Good morning, it's Juergen with ACT Computers again. If you want a nice mug like I have, you will have to call us 772-567-7888 and make an appointment. We come out to your business, give you a free business IT evaluation, and definitely will save you some money. And also you can reach us on our website, www.actcomp.us. So, but enough with the commercial right now. I want to talk about something that is really annoying, and that is obsolete devices, or actually not technically obsolete. This is an Apple iPad Pro, very nice, nothing wrong with it. Turns on, not scratched, screen's okay. Apple Watch works fine too. So, what's wrong with these things? Well, physically nothing. Problem, you cannot use them. So if you have anything that was previously used, or let's say the person passed away and you are not the original owner of this item and you received it as a gift, or abandoned like recycling, like you get a lot of things in here. These units, especially iPad, or Apple is very guilty of this, is they are locked up to the point where you cannot unlock this device and reuse it for another purpose. Meaning that most likely people throw it away. In our case, obviously we don't do that. We put it into a professional recycling company who extracts the minerals and makes sure it doesn't end in the landfill. But anyway, it is such a waste, I think, to even recycle these things if they're actually working. I mean, somebody can use this. School can use this. Anybody that is in need of a device should be able to use this. But because, yes, we need to be very secure and make sure devices are with the people who they belong to. But again, Apple makes this quite difficult, because there is no way to unlock this anymore unless you're the original owner, you have a receipt when you bought it, and then Apple, at the Apple location in the store, will be hopefully gracious enough to unlock it for you so you can use it again. So, but this is something we see very often, and it's sad, because again, what a waste. Nothing wrong with it. But Apple is not the only one guilty of this. It's also other manufacturers that we see notebooks now designed not to be serviceable anymore. Can you imagine having a non-serviceable automotive, a car, for example? That's what's happening now too. That manufacturers are producing cars that are going to be only be able to be serviced by the original manufacturer. You can't take it to Bob down the road to get your car fixed. The same thing is happening with computer assembly. They are getting to be to the point where they are glued together. They're inaccessible. Even if you are successful in opening them up, trying to repair them, you can many times not get the parts. And again, it's so difficult to open them up, you risk ruining the whole unit. So be aware of that. I always tell my customers, if you really want to go the Apple route, nothing wrong with that. But make sure when you order an Apple product, an Apple Watch, iPad, iMac, whatever, you really order what you want. Don't be cheap and say, oh, I will only get 8 gigs of RAM now because I might be able to add more in the future. Well, guess what? Hard to do. Sometimes impossible to do. So when you order something from Apple, make sure it is the right capacity that you need for your job and whatever else you're doing. And that same goes for many other PC devices now too. But that's all I want to share today on this lovely Tuesday. And give us a call, 567-7888. We've been your local IT company for 31 years. And we have lots of interesting things in our showroom. At this time, we are really focusing on saving costs for everybody. That means we actually sell a lot of refurbished computers and notebooks that's half the cost, sometimes 1/3 the cost of a new one. and still has good warranty on it. So stop on by. Thank you. Bye bye.